Masjid Aqsa, the first Qibla of Muslims, the place where Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all the Prophet prayed together, are under occupation of the Jewish. We're all forgetting this. And we're saying, why Hamas? Hamas? It is Palestine, it's not Hamas. It's not Gaza, it is Palestine. It is Masjid Aqsa, it's not Palestine. Where are we? We are still sleeping, we're not aware of what's happening. We are not aware, we're not awakened yet. Maybe one of the most important things of the 7th of October that yes, now we can speak about it. Because people were never giving any interest to Palestine.
Yeah.
People have totally forgotten that Masjid Aqsa is under occupation. And not under a normal occupation even. It's under the Jewish occupation, who call themselves the Israelis. And they are saying, oh, we actually the son of Israel. We're the son of Yaqub. We belong to this area. Which is totally fake. How come you are the son of Yaqub? The Prophet Yaqub. How come you are the son of Israel? You are not. You are a Jewish. Came from Poland, came from Ukraine, came from US. And yes, this is my country. This is my place. See? We are not aware. We are Muslim. Have totally lost our
yes.
directions. We are moving in a different way. Now, is our problem as a Muslim? Is the problem we are facing is trade?